Hello students, my name is Amit Kumar. Last time we had read the nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkane. Now we will study the elimination reaction of haloalkane. Elimination reaction or beta elimination reaction. The removal of two atom or group from the reacting species to gives pi bond, that is double bond, are called elimination reaction. One group is called leaving group, that is halogen atom, and the other atom may be hydrogen atom. The halogen atom is eliminated from alpha carbon and hydrogen atom is eliminated from beta carbon. Alpha carbon. The carbon atom which carry the halogen atom is called alpha carbon. Second, beta carbon. The carbon atom next to the alpha carbon is called beta carbon. And third is the beta hydrogen. The hydrogen atom attached to the beta carbon are called beta hydrogen. For example, the halogen atom attached to this carbon atom. So this carbon is called alpha carbon. And the carbon atom next to the alpha carbon is called beta carbon. And the hydrogen atom attached to the beta carbon are called beta hydrogen. The general reaction of elimination reaction is given when alkyl halide with beta hydrogen react with alcoholic KOH to gives alkene. For example, when propyl bromide or bromopropane react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to gives propene. This is the example of elimination reaction, and this reaction is also called dehydrohalogenation reaction. Kirchhoff rule. Let us take the example of 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane has two beta carbon atoms and gives two different products on elimination. This is the structure of 2-chlorobutane, and 2-chlorobutane has two beta carbon atoms. This is the first beta carbon and this is the second beta carbon. When 2-chlorobutane is react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to gives two product A and product B. Product A is butene and product B is butene. In such reactions, the major product is that alkene which has lesser number of hydrogen atoms on the doubly bonded carbon atoms. This rule is known as Kirchhoff rule. So, according to Kirchhoff rule, B is the major product, that is butene. Next topic is reaction of alkyl halide, that is haloalkane with metals. Alkyl halides react with some metals to form compounds containing carbon metal bond, which are called organometallic compounds. And organometallic compounds are those compounds in which carbon is directly attached with electropositive metal is called organometallic compounds. Some important reaction of haloalkane with metals are: first, formation of Grignard reagent. When alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether to form Grignard reagent, the general reaction is given. When alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether to form Grignard reagent, that is RMgX. R is the alkyl halide and X is the halogen atom. For example, when ethyl bromide is react with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether to form ethyl magnesium bromide, and the ethyl magnesium bromide is the example of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is the most reactive, which is react with proton to form alkane. The reaction is given. The Grignard reagent react with proton from moisture to form alkane. Because of this reason, it is necessary to avoid presence of moisture in the reaction to the formation of Grignard reagent. Second, Urge reaction. When two molecules of alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form symmetrical alkane, the general reaction is given below. When two molecules of alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form symmetrical alkane. For example, when two molecules of ethyl bromide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form butane, that is, butane is the symmetrical alkane. Limitation of Urge reaction. Urge reaction is not a good method for the preparation of unsymmetrical alkane because a mixture of many compounds is formed. For example, when methyl chloride and ethyl chloride react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form a mixture of ethane, butane, and propane. Third, reaction with lithium. When alkyl halide react with lithium to gives alkyl lithium. Next topic is reduction of haloalkane. Alkyl halides are reduced by many reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride to form alkane. The general reaction is given. When alkyl halide are reduced by lithium aluminum hydride to form alkane. For example, bromopropane is reduced by lithium aluminum hydride to form propane.